Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TECNO Spark 20p and let me share with you how to virus scan your device. So let's start with finding the pre-installed app, which is called Phone Master. Yes, Phone Master. As I said, this app is pre-installed, so for sure you've got one on your device. So after tapping on it, simply tap on antivirus and give the permissions, and as you can see, your device will basically scan itself in order to find all kinds of viruses, malware, system vulnerabilities, and after that it will show you the information whether it is safe or not. As you can see, in my case it is. However, if it will find any kind of malware or viruses or any kind of problems, it will show you the information about it and will guide you through the steps, and that will allow you to get rid of the risk. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.